Shri Ashok Soota, Executive Chairman, Happiest Minds Technologies Limited, Shri BVR Mohan Reddy, Chairman, Board of Governors, distinguished guests, members of the Board of Governors and Senate, members of the faculty and staff, parents of degree recipients, students, representatives of the media, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of the Institute and on my own behalf, I extend a very warm welcome to all of you on the occasion of the 20th annual convocation of the Institute. This year's convocation is special because of many reasons. First and foremost reason is that our alumnus Shri Ashok Soota is the chief guest. It is a matter of great pride that someone who graduated from the portals of our own institute will deliver this year's convocation address. His ongoing professional journey is a role model for all of us. At his age, when most people prefer to retire from work, Shri Soota is scaling new professional heights. In fact, his life reminds us of Professor John B. Goodenough, the last year's Nobel Prize winner in chemistry, who won this coveted recognition at the age of 97 years. The second special reason is that this year's convocation is being presided over by Shri BVR Mohan Reddy, Executive Chairman Scient and Chairman of our Board of Governors, who had himself delivered our convocation address in the year 2015. He is a doyen of the Indian industry who has agreed to spare some of his time for guiding the higher education sector in the country. Dear students, I advise you to treasure each word that these tall leaders will say towards the latter part of today evening's function. But there is one thing that makes me feel incomplete today. While virtual and online events are now a part of us, the lack of physical presence of the graduating students at the time of convocation is something that we have not yet been able to come to terms with. We eagerly await normal times when we can warmly welcome you back to the campus. In today's convocation, degrees will be conferred upon 1889 students, out of which 939 are UG, 677 are MTech, MArch, MBA, MURP, MSc, PG diplomas and 273 are PhDs. I am delighted to share that after the onset of the pandemic, the Institute quickly moved to digital means and 240 of the 273 PhD theses were evaluated after the pandemic had begun. Convocation is also an occasion to celebrate the major achievements and developments in the Institute in the year gone by. Let me present a brief report on the same. Research activities. In externally funded projects, IIT Roorkee is continuing to excel by conducting cutting-edge research and taking part in challenging projects of national importance. Innovation, creation of intellectual property, and incubation are major pillars for strengthening our research output. I am happy to share some of our notable activities in research and development, innovations, and entrepreneurship. Technology Innovation Hub, Divya Sampark Hub Roorkee, has recently been set up at IIT Roorkee. It will focus on devices, materials, and technology and is registered as a Section 8 company under the Companies Act 2013 so that it can meet the objectives of the National Mission on Interdisciplinary Cyber Physical Systems. In addition to translational research for technology development with technology readiness levels 4 and above, the hub will also focus on human resource development and will serve as a repository of proven concepts, prototypes, and skilled resource persons. Department of Science and Technology has agreed to support the hub with a grant in aid of Rs 135 crores over a period of 5 years An initial grant of Rs 7.25 crore has been received to initiate the activities. COVID research. In view of the urgency for combating challenges associated with the recent global pandemic, IIT Roorkee came up with some innovative technological solutions in quick time. A research and development team led by Professor Akshay Dwivedi and Professor Arup Das from Mechanical and Industrial Engineering developed a low-cost portable ventilator considering the special requirements of COVID-19 patients. Named as Pran Vayu, the closed-loop ventilator has been developed in collaboration with AIIMS, Rishikesh, and is equipped with state-of-the-art features. The prototype has been tested successfully for normal and patient-specific breathing conditions. The material cost per ventilator is estimated to be Rs 45,000. This innovation has been reported in the Invest India report of Ministry of Commerce and Industry on ventilator technologies developed in India. Vyan HEPA reusable respirator developed by 3 recent graduates of IIT Roorkee aims to provide the highest level of protection from all kinds of airborne pollutants. Incubated at TIDES, the startup is supported by DST's Seed Support Scheme. The ergonomically designed skin-friendly elastomer face seal provides a comfortable and 100% compact seal around the oronasal area. The specially designed electrospun nanofiber filter is arranged compactly to maximize the effective filter area with excellent filtration efficiency of 99.7% of PM0.3 with very low resistance. Innovation and incubation. In the past 1 year, despite the challenging situations due to the pandemic, we have noticed remarkable activities in innovation in terms of creation of intellectual properties and a great boost in technology innovation at IIT Roorkee. Conduct of various workshops has significantly improved awareness of IP and has resulted in a good number of filings of IPs. With 56 new patent applications filed, 3 patents granted, 4 new copyright applications and 1 PCT application, the institute is at the verge of touching the number of 200 in IP filing. Also, 29 patent applications were published in the last 1 year. Incubation activities at TIDES are gaining momentum with 28 startups being pre-incubated, incubated or graduated. There has been a good number of faculty entrepreneurship activities as well. I would like to share the glimpses of some of the recent startups. Shelios is a clean tech company which has built a patented anti-pollution smart helmet. It is a specially designed full face helmet with HEPA filter, blower fan, lithium ion battery, micro USB charging and fiber glass shell. Recog Squares using computer vision applications such as facial recognition to power enterprises to increase their business value. Power Zest has developed and tested a new wind orientation design for capturing wind energy to harness energy from low velocity wind. They use high efficiency permanent magnet alternators and have specifically rated wind turbine to work in most predominant wind conditions. Heal Agnostics has developed a non-invasive diagnostic kit for breast, lung and oral cancers by exhaled breath and a scaffold for deep wound healing and skin regeneration. Indigenous Energy is in the domain of lithium ion batteries. The startup has a technological concept to solve issues related to silicon based lithium ion batteries. Resources and Alumni Connect. We are extremely thankful to the large number of our alumni who availed the several avenues created by the institute through which they can connect with their alma mater. While many of them came forward to support the students in kind, such as for mentoring etc., a large number also gave generous donations either individually or through batch donations. A donation of Rs 2.5 crores was received through batch donations. While there is an increasing trend in both the number of donors and donation amounts, a heartening feature is that alumni are also coming forward to institute chair professorships new faculty fellowships, and institute research fellowships for mid-career faculty. This is changing the face of Institute Alumni Connect, and we can confidently say that soon we will be at par with our peer group of institutions. Placement. Similar to previous years, this year also the placement season was quite vibrant. A total of 260 companies visited the institute for campus recruitment, and a total of 973 offers were made. Out of these companies, 71 visited the campus for the first time, and more than 910 A category job offers were received. Some key companies that participated in the campus recruitment program were Adobe, Amazon India Development Center, American Express India, App Dynamics India Private Limited, Bajaj Finance Limited, BNY Mellon Technology, Cisco Systems India Private Limited, Citibank, EXL Service, Fractal Analytics Private Limited, Genpact, Goldman Sachs, ICICI Bank, Google, Infosys, JP Morgan Chase and Company, Microsoft Redmond, Oracle India Private Limited, PhonePe, Qualcomm, Reliance Industries Limited, Samsung, Standard Chartered, GBS India, Texas Instruments, Visa Incorporated, Wells Fargo, EGS India Private Limited, etc. Infrastructure development. The Honorable Minister of Education Shri Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank recently inaugurated 3 projects at IIT Roorkee. The projects are Lecture Hall Complex 2, a centralized air conditioning system for the 2 lecture hall complexes, and Convocation Hall with chilled water cooling system, and a new sewage treatment plant. A new office for international relations has been established. Renovation and modernization of all Marriott hostels has been completed. Renovation of other hostels has also been taken up, and the first wing of Ganga Bhavan has recently been completed. 2 more wings will be completed by the end of this year. Renovation of academic departments has also been started. Institute archives has been set up by providing space in the Mahatma Gandhi Central Library. Construction of new buildings for mathematics and HSS departments, housing for faculty members and officers, and a new hostel is in progress. Construction of a new building for chemistry department, Western Academic Block, and a new hostel will start soon. A new 1.3 petaflop high performance computing facility is being set up with the help of CDAC. This will dramatically enhance computing related research in the institute. International relations. IIT Roorkee currently has more than 218 international students from 27 different countries. For the first time, international students have been admitted through the Study in India program also. 18 new MOUs with various international institutions have been signed in the past 1 year. IIT Roorkee was awarded for Excellence in Internationalization of Education at the 6th FICCI Higher Education Excellence Awards 2019 held in New Delhi. IIT Roorkee also bagged the High Performer Partner Institute Award in the 5th Global Exhibition on Services organized by the Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Services Export Promotion Council, and Confederation of Indian Industry at Bangalore. I would specially like to mention some research collaborations initiated through our International Relations Office. 2 such projects are GCS-MUS, Global Center of Spatial Methods for Urban Sustainability in partnerships with TU Berlin, Germany, and Co-Prepare or Collaborative Indo-German project on estimating and predicting natural hazards in the Himalayan region in collaboration with the University of Potsdam, Germany. Students' activities and achievements. Like every year, members of the various groups of the Students' Technical Council participated in a large number of technical events nationally and internationally and won many awards and prizes. IIT Roorkee team won the Inter-IIT Technical Meet for the 2nd time in a row in 2019. Students from Models and Robotics section participated in SIH 2020 in the Student Innovation category and won the gold medal for making a terrace farming bot. A team of 10 members from the Artificial Intelligence and Electronics Society ARIES took part in the DRDO UAV Challenge organized under the banner of Inter-IIT Tech Meet. The team developed 3 drones and secured the 3rd position for IIT Roorkee. Students of ASME IIT Roorkee chapter secured the first position among 50 teams in the design event of Human Powered Vehicle Challenge ASME eFest Asia Pacific 2020. Software Development Section secured the first position in D3 Code UST Global Hackathon and gold medal in the Inter-IIT Tech Meet 8.0 Hackathon. Chirag Garg, a 4th year student member of Finance Club, is the national winner of JPMC Quant Challenge 2019. Ishan Shandilya won the first prize Lambda by Ask and Bid, India's first ever algo trading tournament, and Vatsal Khandelwal secured Global Rank 12 Alpha Quality Project 2019 by World Quant. A few members of Enactus took part in the Inter-IIT Tech Meet 2019 and secured gold in Ashoka's Tech for Change event. Team IIT Roorkee Motorsports secured the 3rd position in the 5th Formula Green event. Before I end, I want to draw your attention to the fact that our Sanskrit Club has taken its activities one notch higher by organizing an online course titled Subhashitam Sanskritam. The course teaches Sanskrit in Sanskrit language. Nearly 5,100 participants from about 20 countries across the globe successfully cleared the online exam for the level 1 of the course, which focused on conversing in Sanskrit. None other than our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi sent a congratulatory message on the activities of our Sanskrit Club. Let me conclude by congratulating all the degree recipients and award winners on their achievements. Dear students, we trust that your stay at the institute has prepared you well for the challenges that lie ahead and will help you in facing life with confidence and conviction. Remember that the process of learning continues lifelong. It gives you the courage to venture into uncharted terrain, which in turn can put you in the front row of leaders. On behalf of the entire IIT Roorkee community, it is my pleasure to convey our best wishes for success in all your future endeavors. Jai Hind.